Have you ever wondered how to create a beautiful cottage garden? These charming gardens brim with a sense of tranquility and simple elegance. Imagine the joy of crafting your own serene corner of paradise. Creating a cottage garden is a rewarding experience, and today we'll guide you through the process. The first step to creating a stunning cottage garden is planning. It's crucial to consider your space, sunlight exposure, and soil quality. Keep in mind the local climate and the plants that flourish in it. With a well-thought-out plan, you're one step closer to your dream garden. Once you have your plan, it's time to select the right plants. Picture roses, lavender, hollyhocks, and a myriad of other blossoms creating a tapestry of color. Variety is key to the enchantment of a cottage garden. Choosing the right plants is crucial to the overall aesthetic of your garden. Now comes the fun part: planting and maintenance. Carefully nestle your chosen plants into the soil, ensuring they have ample room to grow. Regular watering is crucial, as is routine upkeep. With proper care and attention, your cottage garden will bloom in no time. After all the planning, planting, and maintenance, it's time to enjoy your garden. Bask in the beauty you've cultivated, relishing the living masterpiece that changes with each season. Remember, a cottage garden is more than just a collection of plants. It's a testament to your love for nature. We hope you found this guide to creating a beautiful cottage garden helpful. Why not give it a try? Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.